How to fix Suno AI, the uploaded audio matches existing work of art error. So if you want to do that, make sure you are uploading original content. You want to go and click on create here, audio, and then here's where you will find the upload option. So if you want to fix that error, what I recommend doing is using a shorter exempt from the song. So I have my song right here, and what you have to do is use something like CapCut to basically reduce the amount of the song which you use. So for example, 20 to 60 seconds should be okay-ish. So this is going to be 23 seconds here currently. So I'm just going to go ahead and export it. You want to go and choose audio as the format, and then MP3, or you can also do WAV as the format here. If you're using CapCut to export, then you just click on export. Once you have exported your audio here, I'm going to close CapCut. I'm going to go back into Suno AI upload, and let's say that this is my audio. You will begin uploading it, and right here you should no longer have the error. But again, like I said, make sure you are creating original content and you are not reusing previous songs. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.